Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die, and this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
E85. Oh wait, no. Fuck. So get rid of it. What up, guys? Welcome back. So as you guys seen, pretty much just getting cracking on the engine compartment, trying to get as much done as possible because I do have another job that I need to do here within the next week. I am going to be working on the homie Tony. You guys have seen him at car meets. He drives around with the wig, shit like that. He does that. He call him Rico Suave. That's the homie Tony, and he has a DC with the K-swap in it that wants to do fuel lines, a brake tuck, and also a full exhaust to do the charge pipes and everything on that setup. I told him I'd give him a good hookup to coming down, give me the opportunity and make his car sound awesome as the best as I could. So we are probably gonna be doing the whole exhaust setup going all the way to the back, down pipe, dump tube, charge pipes, blow off valves. Everything's gonna have to get pretty much all welded on, but we'll sort all that here when it comes down to it. But right now, what I really want to concentrate on is on the EK sedan. I've been lagging on content of this car. As you guys seen, I've done everything with all the other cars. I did the exhaust setup and I did all that, but now it's time to get cracking on this car. There's a lot of things that I need to get situated on it before we can put the new engine. The new engine is actually at Armin's. You guys seen we dropped that off. It's still getting inspected. I should be hearing what's going on with that here shortly, within the next day or so, and we'll just see how it goes. But right now, I just pretty much took out everything out of the front of the engine bay. So everything in the front is pretty much out. I'm gonna lift up the car right now, drain all of the fluids from the brake lines and everything, because I wanna have that ready so that way when it's time to do the brake lines, we take away everything as far as all the brake lines. I don't want no fluid leaking into the engine bay. I don't want none of that stuff. I want it as drained as possible. We got a few steps to go to still do. Take off all this setup here, get that out of the way so that way we can slide it out and we can have a little bit of room on that side, because we are gonna have to slide it out that way. We need to take off the lines to the heater core because we are gonna be removing that. So that's pretty much there. Already set all the intake and everything is all taken apart. We took off the clutch line. I ended up pretty much bagging it. Same thing with the fuel lines, and I ended up spraying a little bit here from the fuel E85. Make sure you guys, if you guys get any fuel, don't let it sit there because it will eat the paint. So that's the reason why I used a glass cleaner, because that's all I had right here in front of me. So I used that to clean off the front end, get all that E85 taken off, and I'm going to take off the bumper right now so that I can get under it and make sure we get everything, because I don't want it to eat up my damn paint. So a few more steps to take, and then we are back to getting this engine out completely and dropping it out. So let's go ahead and continue, guys.